Why late?
Just an hour, but you know.
All right. Hey, you? 11? Yeah, what do we make it 10:30?
Allison, promise I never have to see him again.
Guys, come on, I want to get a picture of Sophie with her godparents.
Yes, this is she.
Did Allison and Peter speak with you about who would take care of Sophie in the unlikely event that they should both die?
No.
Well, they named you.
I'm sorry. They picked us together.
Believe me, I tried to advise them against it, but there are options. We have Peter's father.
I think she looks just like you. Okay.
Sophie, no. Good as new.
Still breathing.
Yay!
Are we supposed to live in this house together?
We are part of a plan.
Some chick says, oh, mister, you can forget the condom. You okay? And I say no, and I still end up with the kid.
We need to figure out a schedule. That's my night off.
Maybe you're happy to get rid of your old life because your old life sucked.
It was great. I had free time.
To do what? Bake more?
They loved Sophie more than anything in the entire world, and out of everyone, that's where they picked us. She's making the poop face.
What do you mean she's making the poop face?
Oh, God, she's gonna poop in the tub. Hurry up. She's gonna poop on me.
Go to the side.
Okay.
No. Oh, my God, that's my hat. How's that wine treating you?
I think you guys make a really cute couple.
She said the same thing about Taylor Swift and that Twilight kid.
Hey! He's about to walk! Oh, I stole it!
Oh, God, I'm
sorry.
What did you do?
You told me to stall her, so I gave her a little shove. I finally figured out why Peter and Allison picked us, and it's not because we knew them best. It's because you and me together, Sophie, somehow, we're a family.
Oh, my God!
Oh! It's like Slumdog Millionaire in there.
Get her out of her toes.
Okay, I gotta go.
No, it's burning my eyes. Hey, what a surprise.
Oh,
What?
sweetie, you have poo on your face.